Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can upload high quality pictures to your Facebook. So to get started, open up your Facebook application. Once you're there, your user face will appear like this, and on the bottom right corner you can see the menu. Go ahead and tap on it. If you scroll all the way down, you can go to settings and privacy now. Tap on it and again go to settings. Now here you can see the media. You can just go ahead and tap on the media option. So in the video quality you can see optimized and data saver. Go ahead and enable the both option. I know it's for the video quality. It will be applied on your photos too. So that's all guys. This is how it is, easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.